Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Okay. Today we shall read chapter 2 in First Flight Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Okay. This is revision section. So in this chapter we have to discuss about the main topic which you have read in previous classes. Okay. Before knowing about this chapter, we have to know about something Nelson Mandela. Okay. So Nelson Mandela, he was a native person of South Africa. He belongs to the black community, and he was the first person who sacrificed for the democracy in South Africa. He was also known as the frontier of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, means he used the law of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, he became the first president of South Africa in 1994. Okay, and this step has been taken from the autobiography which Nelson Mandela has written in prison. That autobiography's name is Long Walk to Freedom. In this book, Nelson Mandela has mentioned how he was able to achieve the freedom in South Africa. Okay, where there was the rule of white people. Okay, so first of all we have to read topic wise and understand about the chapter. Okay, first we have to read South Africa's first democratic government. Second, promise of hope and glory. Third, a splendid song of loyalty to democracy. Fourth, tracing of history. Fifth, the policy of apartheid. Sixth, obligations of man towards family and nation. And last one, the realization of slavery and intense desire for freedom. Okay, so first we have to know about South Africa's first democratic government. Okay, South Africa's first democratic government was established in 10th May 1994. Okay, means when Nelson Mandela had joined the National Congress Party. Okay, and he got the support of the people, those who were depressed in South Africa. Okay, the venue of democracy was established in the main building of Public Theatre, formed by the Union Building in Pretoria. Okay, in that ceremony, his girl his girl Jenny was also with him. Okay, and two person who was also the famous in previous government, they were Mr. De Klerk, he was appointed as the deputy president, and Thabo Mbeki, he was also selected as a deputy president. Means these are the two persons who are working in the white party, and as well as Nelson Mandela also selected these people in his constitution. Okay, in his party. Next, we have to know about promises of hope and glory. You know very well, Nelson Mandela was a great freedom fighter. Okay, he has given the democracy of black people in here South Africa. Okay, he has promised to provide great hope and glory to the new born freedom. Okay, Mandela assured all the people, if you will help me, I will give you democracy. I will give you your authority. You are living in the constitution which was made by the white people. There is no rule of the black people in the constitution. Okay, so he was hoping for a new generation in which everyone get their importance. Okay, so this is the hope, and to complete the hope he needs glory. Okay, he also want to become most popular in the coming generation. Okay, so that he promised all the people, if you help me, I shall give you freedom. Okay, next third topic is here, a splendid show of loyalty to democracy. Okay, means when he was elected as the first president of America, South Africa, he arranged a ceremony in Pretoria. There were many military forces helicopters were flying above the Pretoria building. Okay, the military loyals and democratic elected government was honored by these type of people. Okay, people. There were two national anthems also be played on that day. One for the apartheid people and second for the white people. Okay, so there was a splendid show in which so many helicopters, jets also has taken place in honor of the president who was elected from the black people. Okay, next one we have to see a tracing of history. What we trace the history means, in this part we have to know the people of South Africa were too much tortured by the white people. Okay, the white people in South Africa got together and developed a system of racial domination against the black. Means there was no importance in the constitution or in the democracy of South Africa before independence. Okay, only the rules and regulations were made for the white people. Okay, so white people can do everything, but black people cannot do anything, and they are also not able to ask any question from the authorities. Okay, means there was no rule of black people. Okay, so it was unbearable for Nelson Mandela, so he sacrificed to get the opportunity to get the authority, just like the white people in South Africa. Okay, next one we have to read the policy of apartheid. You know very well, in India there are so many discriminations also today we are facing in our society. Someone stopped here to go into the temple, someone stopped here in the society not to eat together. Okay, so these kinds of discriminations you will find in your society. The same way also in South Africa there were two types of people. Someone belongs from the white community, someone belongs from the black community. Okay, so blacks were not allowed, okay, to live with the white people. Okay, here he also learned that courage is not the absence of fear but the victory over it. Means everyone want to know why we are not allowed to give our view. Okay, so he create intensity. Means Nelson Mandela create the intensity in their people to understand about your authority. Okay, everyone helped Nelson Mandela to get the freedom, and after sacrificing lot, they were able to get the success to make their own democratic country. Okay, so here this topic, the policy of apartheid, matlab the people those who belongs from the black community, they were not allowed to interfere in white people's work. Okay, next one is their obligations of man towards family and nation. Right, means there were two types of obligations for the people, those who live in South Africa. One type of obligation was towards his family. If he or she is living in South Africa, they have to support their family. And the second obligation was towards this nation. If he or she is living in that country, they have to follow rule and regulation of the country. Okay, it means all type of people have to do the same activities. Okay, wherever they belong from the white community or they belong from the black community. Okay, so before freedom, only white people were allowed to give their advice, to give their view on any topic. Okay, so there were two kinds of obligation, one for their family and second for their nation. Understood? The last one topic is here, the realization of slavery and intense desire for freedom. Means when they were depressed in the society, means the black were depressed in the society of South Africa. Okay, they understand, okay, their responsibility. They were used as a slave to send to another country for working without any caste, without any wages. Okay, so here you will find this type of things in the society, and these type of things think by Nelson Mandela, and Nelson Mandela take action against it. Okay, and they desire for freedom. Means they were suffering from many kinds of torture, so that they were hoping we have to our democracy, we have to our freedom also. Okay, so this chapter 1 is so that how Nelson Mandela was able to give the democracy of South Africa, and how he sacrificed his life for the people of South Africa. Okay, so this is the summary of this chapter. If you will read this carefully, you will get the conclusion. Okay, so the theme of this chapter is here, the needs and significance of freedom for a nation. Okay, slavery is the worst things they can undergo at any time. Okay, slavery means suppose that if you are doing for anyone without the pay, okay, that is called slavery. Tas Pratha. Okay, so this is the story. Okay, the character you know very well. In this chapter, there are the main character, which is here Nelson Mandela. Okay, so Nelson Mandela was dedicated to his goal, fearlessness, honesty, boldness, patience, and selflessness. These kinds of quality has Nelson Mandela in South Africa. Okay, he never showed hatred for them. Means he never showed hatred towards the white people. Only he loved all the person, those who were indifferent of him, or those who helped him. You have to see at that time when he was making his party, okay, and he was also elected, two persons who were indifferent from him. Both the person who has given him punishment, also his name were Mr. T. Clark and Thabo Mbeki. These are the two persons those who gave him punishment. Okay, but they were also elected in the democracy. Okay, so he never showed his angerness towards the people, those who were not following his words. Okay, he always go on the path of Mahatma Gandhi. He used, who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. Means those who snatch the freedom of others, they are also the prisoner. It means we have to understand the brotherhoods to all the persons, those who are in favor of us or those who are not in favor of us. Okay. The message is there, freedom for the nation is more important than even bread and butter. Okay, means freedom is the most important things that is great. Okay, we need the secondary things. First we need nation. So we have to do more good jobs for our nation. Okay. It can develop our country and we will also develop with our country. Okay, so we have to support our country. Okay, we should not hate even those who oppress us. Means those hate us, we have not to handle with that person. Means we have to understand that person is my brother. Okay, so these are the type of things you have to know very carefully in your mind. First we have to understand brotherhood. Second, those who depress you or those who oppress you, we have to discuss about the things why he is opposing me. Okay, the next things is there, the title Long Walk to Freedom. I have told you in the beginning, this title has been taken from the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. Okay, and the things which is mentioned in this book, these are related to the life of Nelson Mandela. Okay, he suffered too much in his life and he spent around 10 years in prison. Okay, there he has written this book. Okay, some question will ask you from this chapter. Okay, the first question is here. And it has been asked you in your exam CBSE, why is 10th May 1994 important for South Africa? So 10th May 1994 is most important day in South Africa because on this day the South Africa's democracy has been launched. Okay, next question is here, what ideas does Mandela set out for the future of South Africa in his speech? It means according to Nelson Mandela, okay, he said all people will be free from poverty, suffering and discrimination of all kinds. They will never be enslaved by others. All will enjoy equal rights and privilege. Okay, there should be no discrimination among the people, those who belongs from white community or those who belong from the black communities. Okay, the next question is here, what according to Nelson Mandela are the two obligations of man? Why cannot he fulfill both of these obligations? Okay, so you have read there are two kinds of obligations, one for our family and second for the nation. Okay, if we are understanding about our family, so we have to fulfill the needs of our family, not for the needs of our country. But if we are thinking about our nation, we can do everything. Okay, so here these are the two obligations that we can fulfill. Okay. And next question is here, what does Mandela means when he says he is the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him? Means Nelson Mandela is trying to tell, okay, all the freedom fighters who made unimaginable sacrifice for their people to live in respect and dignity. Means those who offered lot of, okay, to give freedom for their country, they are not with us. Okay, they died. So we also welcome those who may see so that their heart means they can also understand their peace. Okay, it means he welcomed to those who fight against the rebellion against the white people, but they are not with them. Okay. Which two obligation I have told you, there are two types of obligations that he followed in his life, one for the family and second for the nation. Okay. last question is here. It will ask, what is apartheid? What were the effect of apartheid on the life of black people of South Africa? ठीक है, apartheid means is a political system. Okay, it is based on racial discrimination. Okay, racial means if you are belonging from the South Africa, okay, there are two types of people. Okay, divided on the basis of color. Okay, one who belongs from the white community and second one belongs from the black community. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.